Hey, buddy, I need you to start the vlog.
What's up, everybody? Good morning.
How's your breakfast?
Really good.
Good breakfast? Mm-hmm. All right, stay healthy, Chris. Stay healthy.
Thank you.
What's up, guys, and good morning. Welcome back to another video. So, we're over here at World Headquarters 2.0, and, well, you can see our newly installed lift back there that we almost finished up. We installed it yesterday. We're still waiting on the electrician to get over here and run the 220 from all the way over there, over the door, boom, all the way over to the lift. Christopher, you got a question?
So now that we got a lift in the shop, does that mean Zach's gonna throw some stuff on our truck for free?
Nothing's free, Christopher. Nothing in life is free.
We'll give him candy. You catch it?
Yeah, just don't hit my truck. And I failed.
So if you guys remember yesterday, we were dealing with some dead battery issues here on the Denali, so I'm trying to make it a point to drive the Denali a lot more than I have been, and I think that dead battery was more of a fluke. I think the compressors somehow kicked themselves on. So yeah, somehow they're getting backfed power when they shouldn't be, when the key is off, and I don't know exactly what's going on, so we're gonna have to install some type of like kill switch, like 100% kill the power coming to the compressors to eliminate that ever happening again.
We should probably see though if, so far looking good. All right, we're good.
So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know there's a couple of trucks on my like must-buy list. One is obviously a four-wheel drive OBS, and then the second one is I really want an LBZ Duramax. So 2006, 2007 classic crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive Duramax, preferably not the ugly tan color, and with leather interior. And well, we all know just how hard it is to find clean ones that are reasonably priced. And even with all my friends that own GM trucks and own Duramaxes, I don't think we've actually had like a real LBZ featured on the channel. Oh, looks like Wes made it as well. Yo, don't let him try and convince you how much faster his truck is than yours, dude.
Hey man, that's what he's
Don't let him try. I know what he's doing. I know what he's.
That's not what it was at all.
Uh-oh.
I was showing him my transmission slipping.
Oh, yeah, the old Allison holds up just fine in our trucks. I don't know what's going on with yours though.
Wes, can you show your truck off? It's running a little rough. We gotta talk over here. All right, it's your truck. Go ahead.
Oh no.
What year is it?
2006.
All right. What generation of Duramax is that?
LBZ.
Look at that. You got it. All right, keep going.
I
All right, brother, get in here.
don't even know.
Rich, say hi to the channel.
How you guys doing? I'm Rich, Stanson Rich, aka.
Oh, we got to show the Instagram name. Boom. Make sure you guys give him a follow.
Yeah. Well, it's 2006 LBZ. I got the 5-inch axle dump all the way back. Deleted, tuned by EFI Live, Idaho Rob. I got a 22 by 14-inch American Force 75 Blade Runner SS Super Singles, and 325/50 R22 Nitos with the Foxshot coilovers from Cognito, but McGoy's has my whole entire lift throughout the whole truck. We got 456 gear ratios in the rear. I mean, other than that, everything's just for looks. You know, she's my pretty truck. That's about it.
You just buy aftermarket headlights that didn't have the Emperor in them. Where'd you get those? Those look good without having to pull headlights
I
apart.
think they were Zephron something.
I have no clue.
Yeah, there's some weird brand. I also got a brand new water pump because I blew it about 3 weeks ago. I got a brand new water pump.
Yes, I noticed right after you bought this truck, you've been doing a lot of work to this truck.
Yeah, you know.
So we rescued her.
Yeah, so this truck
She has a story.
when I got it, it was sitting on a farm. Dude didn't drive it no more. He bought a brand new Duramax like yours, but not like yours, you know. But
just
this truck was
back
just sitting there. I showed up. I was like, you know what? I'll take it. Brought it home. 10 minutes drive. Blew the trans line on the way home. She's been a good truck. No engine problems, except for the water pump.
Go find a piece of wood over here to knock on or something.
Yes.
Watch out for needles though. The question is, does he let you drive it?
I drove it yesterday without him.
That didn't answer though, does he let you drive
He
it?
doesn't let me, but I drove it for the
Uh-oh.
first time yesterday.
Well, he was talking about wanting to race Wes. Are you going to be driving or is he going to be driving?
I think I could race it.
Uh-oh.
I'm
man.
kidding. No, he drives it better than me.
I'm ready to go with Wesley, man. I've been
Uh-oh.
waiting for it.
What's up, Wes? Uh-oh, look at.
He's like,
Wes don't waste no time.
We'll give it a shot, but my tranny's slipping, man. I don't know.
Are you making excuses, Wes?
Not at all.
Uh-oh.
I thought this was the fastest 6'2", man.
Ooh.
I mean, maybe in national.
Heard 5'3s can keep
National-
up with it. You ready, Wes? You ready for this race or what, buddy?
Always ready.
Oh, shoot. All right, Chris, let's move our truck so they don't hit us.
Not that I don't trust your guys' brakes, but I don't trust your guys' brakes. I know Wes's brakes suck.
What do you think?
Who do I think?
No.
I think Wes is going to take it.
I think Wes is gonna take it.
Wes just said, don't hit my truck. That was probably one of the closer races we've seen with Wes. God, Wes's truck sounds good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know, I have to watch the video.
But we're gonna do it again, cause you gotta be a little more.
Oh, my bad, sorry, I'm a shitty flagger.
Way too much spinning.
Hey, you're the closest I've seen of anybody race West so far, though, off the takeoff like that.
Hey, we're not gonna boost launch this time.
Well, you got pretty bald tires. So.
Yeah, so we're gonna see right now without the boost launch.
Yeah, these aren't ideal race conditions. Asphalt's pretty loose over here. As you guys can see. All right, let's see round two.
So it looked like Rich jumped a little bit on that one. He got Wes a little bit off the line there, but Wes ended up getting him back at the end.
All right, now you can try and show West up. Let's see it.
Doing that on that truck.
Did you see his
This
face?
is Wes. Wes,
We
peer
were-
pressure Wes over
Did you
here.
see his face?
So I guess we're all gonna take off from this spot. Wes says he's got a spot on the beach where we can all drive, race, do whatever on the beach. So that's where we're headed now.
I'm a soldier, got my hood diploma. Shawty bend it over, shawty bend it over. Never lied about a thing, but there's some things I never told you. Flow is dope as coke and weed, I'm rolling with La Cosa Nostra. Mind your business, tell them mind your business. Not religious, so don't ever cross me like a line of scrimmage. It's not a gimmick, every single day I live it. Money don't sleep, got it painted by the minute.
I didn't bring my sandals. I'm not ready for this. Woo, there goes those wheels. Good thing is you can repolish them.
He's gonna be stoked.
Yeah, Wes took us to some pretty deep,
Well,
soft
I
sand. over
stopped here.
Oh, and you got the chocolates ready, dude. What happened, buddy? You get stuck?
Tires are a little bald.
Uh-oh.
I gotta give that excuse, you know. But she's stuck.
Well, the good thing is, a couple people brought some tow ropes.
We're good.
Yeah, you're good to go.
And guess what?
What?
They can't ever say she's a show truck anymore.
Well, yeah, now that you scratched all the polish off your wheels, you're good to go.
Oh, it's fixable.
Hey, bro, you got the best recovery vehicle we've ever seen today right here. Look at this. We got a full-fledged Humvee. See, this is what we need, boys.
Get one for the channel.
Right? You gonna buy me one? Hey, you see the biggest show one sitting right over there on the hard stuff. I'm good. I'm not scratching my wheels. At least it's a badass Humvee pulling you out. He's ready. Look at that.
America's finest, ladies and gentlemen. America's finest.
Hey, watch me get stuck right here. That'd be the.
Yeah, you know what? Stay on the hard pack, all right? You're not quite ready for the soft sand?
No, we're not. Once we hit the 375. He already wants to start digging.
I know.
You're on the hard stuff right now. You should be good, dude. All right, what can we buy one of those for at the auction?
Probably 20, 30 grand.
There you go. You got it, buddy. Look at that. Easy.
Can I go close your door?
I don't like getting my truck dirty, Chris.
Away from this guy coming.
So we've got security coming here. We're kind of making a evacuate. Oh, they're all getting lit up. Police, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Uh-oh. Rich, you got caught again, buddy. What are you doing, Rich? We're just leaving or what?
Go for it!
He got stopped by the police.
Can I turn around?
Oh, you gotta go bail him out? Yeah, go tell him who you are, Chris. They'll let you off. Cops didn't appreciate us being on the beach, so Rich was the only one that didn't get away. Oh, I think he's got it. He's coming. He's coming. They let him go. What happened, buddy?
Well, said if we come back, it's gonna tow the trucks. But sir, I had no idea what this was. He's like, all right, just don't come back. I was like, go with me. Ryan blocked me off. I couldn't get out.
Bro, you just gotta go for it. He was,
Yeah, I would've got stuck again.
I was the closest one to him. I had to get the fuck out of there. Well, that was a fun like 10 minutes that we got to spend on the beach before we got kicked out. So we're gonna roll back to the warehouse right now. Number one, because I really want to wash all the salty sand off my truck, because everybody was talking crap about how, you know, I want to get back here and wash my truck quickly. Yet, I think they're making a line here of everybody that's gonna wash their trucks.
You gonna wash your truck, Wes?
I'll rinse it off.
Oh, you're just a little rinse?
Yeah, just a rinse.
No.
I don't touch it. I just rinse it.
So since the truck wasn't really that dirty, all I'm gonna end up doing is I've already rinsed it off. I'm just gonna soap it with the foam cannon, and then I'm just gonna wash the soap off. Like, let the soap sit for a minute, it'll grab some of the dirt. It's not gonna get it like super clean if your truck's dirty to do it this way, but since the truck really wasn't that dirty.
Dude just got out of the Disneyland for adults, we'll call it. Work for it, World Headquarters 2.0.
Got the new work for it shirt.
Nice.
Also got this one.
Nice.
Got the hat, you know,
Work for it.
and the sticker. And the water.
And water. Look at that. Look at the customer service there.
Yeah,
It's
best customer
awesome.
service out here.
Got the VIP.
VIP look.
With the nozzle.
Wes is coaching him on how to wash the truck. Good job, Wes.
I ain't coaching him. Shit,
job,
I
Wes.
just told him he gotta get the soap up.
His girlfriend's been outing him on all the spots that he's missing. Oh, sorry, wife. Apparently he's not that clean at home.
No, he is clean.
What other kind of trash are you talking about?
No, he is clean. I just said that I do most of it at home just so that he doesn't have to do it. No.
He works real hard in the Navy, and when he gets home, she doesn't want him to work at home.
Great wife. Great wife. So Rich said when he gets new tires, he wants to re-race Wes, because apparently he was slipping.
Yeah, I guess he was spinning it.
So we got another race scheduled or what?
100%.
Are we gonna launch it 4-wheel drive?
That's a negative.
He's gonna burn these until they blow up. All right. And he's gonna change his name from Stanson Rich to Spinning Rich.
Yo, what kind of scientific testing do we got going on over here, Wes?
I've I'm just putting some WD-40 on the
Some anti-squeak.
on the Heim joints.
There you go.
No, they pop a little when they get like dirt and grit in them.
Oh, you gotta jump harder then.
It's good, man.
Go ahead, Rich. You live by him. What were you just saying?
Calling out SoCal Duramax.
You want to race Carlos?
Yeah, I want to race Carlos.
Uh-oh.
We're
What's
gonna.
the wager? Like,
A little money on there.
You know, I'll put $70 on, or 75. We'll do 75.
That's like half a tank.
All right, 100.
All right, guys. Well, the good thing is nobody got arrested today. Nobody got their trucks impounded or towed. Everybody got clean trucks now, well, except for Wes. Wes is,
He doesn't wipe his down, so
this is what it ends up looking like.
what do you mean wipe it down? During the wash?
Yeah. This is all the dirt from the rain.
I thought the touchless, like, I don't know. I can't win with this thing.
So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we, what?
We gotta show them the taqueria.
No, we
Don't end the video yet. Let's show them off the taqueria.
You want to take it to the taqueria?
I want to show them the taco meat on a spin thing.
Adobada, say it.
Autobata.
Yeah, what do you want to get?
A mulita.
There you go, buddy. Are you nervous back here with Wes driving? You
No.
should be.
Oh, I should?
Yeah, you should. Careful. All right, I guess we're taking you to the taqueria. Here you go, bro. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is how Wes rolls right here, guys.
let's get the whole freaking bucket of salsa.
They were out of the little.
All over your plate, bro.
Hey,
it's not even in the taco.
It's sloppy, man. That's why I get these little tostadas, the toasted ones, so I can scoop it up.
Oh, there you go.
Wes, that's you, bro. You splattered on the wall.
I got excited.
Well, we just got back from eating, so I thought we could end the video, but
We're not sure.
I think it's just rust water.
Yeah, no, it's not.
It's not coolant leaking out. You good?
All right, now we can end the video.
oh, now we can end the video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that we do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best.
Bye.
How do we end the videos? Come on.
I don't know.
How do we end the videos? Come on.
Peace out.
No, that's not how we end the videos. Come on. Come on.
How do we end the
You
video?
want to help her out?
Someone tell me.
I don't even know.
How do you not know? All I've heard all day is you've been watching
Yeah,
this
I have been watching you for a long
and
time,
you don't
but
know how the videos end.
Nobody ever watched the last like
last
2
one,
minutes.
the ads pop up, so you can't watch the last. You
Now,
know.
what do we say to get the ads to pop up?
Go like and subscribe.
Oh, this is bad, Wes. Wes, who invited him here?
I didn't. You invited me to.
Who invited these guys? Come on. Shit, really?
Let's hear Wes do it.
Hey,
I want to see.
I've watched your videos, but I've never seen an outro.
Well, you got half of it.
Would I get the peace out?
No.
Or the
How do we get the outro to come up?
roll the ads?
You were so close.
You had the first.
Wait.
You had the second.
Roll the outro.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.